Hey, want to make a superhero? After exposure to cosmic radiation, Dr. Sue Storm finds herself able to turn completely invisible. Closest thing we have to that is squid, so let's figure out how it works and how we can make it happen in a person. Squid have these special cells that are filled with a refractive material, which scatters light rather than absorbing it like pigment does. This material is a protein appropriately called reflectin. Here's how it works. Proteins are big molecules made up of smaller building blocks called amino acids. There are 22-ish kinds of amino acids, some big, some small, some positively charged, some negatively charged. A handful of amino acids have these hexagonal structures to them, which makes them really good at messing with light for electron orbital reasons that I don't have time to get into right now. That squid protein, reflectin, contains an unusually high proportion of these amino acids, which may help explain why squid skin can scatter light so effectively. In 2023, a group of scientists took human cells and inserted the squid gene that serves as the instructions to make that protein. The human cells started cranking out and storing reflectin, and when scientists shone a light at these cells, they reflected it slightly better than human cells without the squid gene. And scientists were able to change how much light got reflected by exposing the cells to ions. Now, your cells are really good at shifting ions around near instantaneously. That's what's happening whenever you move a muscle. Your brain is sending a signal shooting through your neurons at up to 60 meters per second until it reaches the muscle that you want to move. And that signal is made up of ions shifting in and out of those neurons. And in the case of your somatic neurons, that's a process that you can consciously control. Now, there is a network of neurons and teeny tiny little muscles just underneath the surface of your skin. They're called erector pili muscles, and when they clench, it gives you goosebumps. But this is an involuntary response. It's not one that you can consciously control. If you were to integrate that squid gene permanently into a human being's skin cells, somehow link those cells up to somatic neurons that are under your conscious control, you could, in theory, make a person who can change how their skin reflects, diffuses, and scatters light in the blink of an eye.